How do I open a Venmo account? Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to quickly split a bill with friends or family? Or maybe you've wanted to send a gift to someone who lives far away. If so, Venmo is the app for you. Context: Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that makes it easy to send and receive money. Whether you're using it for casual transactions or more serious payments, Venmo is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. Main content. Step 1. Download the Venmo app. The first step to opening a Venmo account is to download the app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Create your account. You'll be asked to provide your mobile number and email address. Venmo will send you a verification code to your mobile number or email. Enter the code to continue. Next, you'll need to create a strong password. Make sure your password is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Step 3. Add your personal information. Venmo will ask you for some basic personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and address. You'll also need to provide your social security number. This is required for verification purposes. Step 4. Verify your identity. To verify your identity, Venmo may ask you to take a photo of your driver's license or passport. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud. Step 5. Link your bank account or debit card. To send or receive money on Venmo, you'll need to link your bank account or debit card. Venmo will ask you to provide your bank's routing number and account number. You may also be asked to verify your bank account by making a small deposit. Step 6. Start using Venmo. Once your account is verified and your bank account or debit card is linked, you're ready to start using Venmo. To send money to a friend, simply tap on the Pay button, enter their Venmo username or phone number, and select the amount you want to send. You can also request money from friends by tapping on the Request button. Additional tips. Security. Venmo takes security very seriously. Make sure to use a strong password and avoid sharing your account information with anyone. Fees. Venmo typically doesn't charge fees for sending or receiving money between friends and family. However, there may be fees for certain transactions, such as using a credit card or sending money to a business. Business accounts. If you're a business owner, Venmo offers business accounts that come with additional features and benefits. Venmo Debit Card. Venmo also offers a debit card that you can use to make purchases anywhere Visa is accepted. Conclusion. Venmo is a convenient and easy-to-use app that can help you manage your finances. By following these simple steps, you can create a Venmo account and start sending and receiving money in no time. Call to action. Have you tried Venmo yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Download the app today and start experiencing the convenience of peer-to-peer payments. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.